Let's dive right into what shadow AI is all about. Essentially, it's like, when employees use AI tools like ChatGPT or similar without oversight from their IT or security teams, right?
Yeah, exactly. And it's not the same as shadow IT. It's a kind of unsanctioned use of AI that brings its own set of risks.
Right, it's kind of like shadow IT, but with AI tools. While shadow IT is about unsanctioned apps or services in general, shadow AI specifically involves generative AI tools that can quickly turn into a security headache.
Yep. So basically, employees are using these generative tools to get their work done, like summarizing internal documents or even building chatbots without proper approvals.
Exactly. And what really makes this a risky business is that these tools often process sensitive data, the kind that's supposed to be protected under various regulations. Think about it. An employee may paste confidential info into a public AI tool, which could later end up on, third-party servers.
Yeah, that's a serious concern. Right. And that leads straight to data leaks, regulatory issues, and even expanding the attack surface of the organization, doesn't it?
Absolutely. And there's an interesting point here. Many times, these actions start small. Like, an employee could be using an AI plugin in an approved SaaS tool, but its new AI features haven't been um, reviewed for risks.
That's a great point. And it shows that shadow AI isn't just isolated to technical teams. It appears across functions, from marketing using AI for images to developers tweaking chatbots without IT knowledge.
Exactly. And that's why enterprises need structured approaches, Instead of like enforcing a blanket ban, which often just drives these behaviors underground, they need robust oversight and clear policies.
Sure, but don't you think sometimes a ban could at least initially curb the risks, at least temporarily?
I see what you're saying, but the data suggests that bans may actually push users to even less monitored tools, increasing blind spots. It's more about enabling safe usage through visibility, defined role permissions, and a formal
Right,
intake
that makes
process.
sense. And from what I've seen, providing a lightweight approval process might actually build trust and make employees less likely to resort to unsanctioned tools, huh?
Exactly, yeah. The best strategy involves first gaining complete visibility into which AI tools are in play, then establishing clear data boundaries, like definitely no customer data or regulated PII should be handled by these tools without
Absolutely.
IT oversight.
It's kind of like managing a wild garden. You need to know what's growing before you can decide what to prune, right?
Exactly. And then there's role-based permissions. Developers might need API access for, say, prototyping, while marketing might only get basic usage. That way, control is
Yeah,
maintained
that
without
balance is
stifling
crucial.
innovation.
And don't forget about reassessing these tools regularly, like every 6 to 12 months, to ensure that their behaviors haven't changed over time.
Right on. And along with that, it's vital to educate all teams about the risks associated with unsanctioned AI usage. Sharing real-world examples, like a product manager using an AI tool which leaks sensitive strategy info, can really drive the point home.
Clearly, shadow AI presents a multifaceted risk, not only from a data leakage standpoint, but also in terms of compliance and overall security posture. And it touches every department.
Exactly. It's a widespread issue that demands a proactive, multi-layered approach. Visibility, defined controls, and continuous reassessment are
Yep.
key.
So if an organization wants to, secure its AI transformation, establishing these policies early and educating employees seems like the best route.
Absolutely. Avoiding reactive measures after an incident is the goal here. Instead, build instead of enable safe usage, and that way you get the benefits of AI without the hidden risks of shadow AI, right?
Yeah, exactly.